We begin tonight with the developing news after the sudden death of Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia. He was a powerful conservative voice dedicated to defending the Constitution against what he saw as the nation's liberal drift. His death marks the end of an era and leaves 8 justices often evenly divided on many highly charged issues. So tonight, as the flag flies at half-staff outside the Supreme Court, the battle is set. The future and direction of this branch of government at stake. Our team is covering it all, his life, his legacy, and the political battle ahead. We begin with ABC senior national correspondent Jim Avila in El Paso, Texas tonight.
Justice Antonin Scalia died behind the drawn curtains of this room, peacefully and in his sleep.
I was a first-hand witness,
says the owner of the Cibolo Ranch in West Texas, where the judge had been a first-time guest scheduled to hunt quail Saturday. His body discovered when he skipped both breakfast and lunch.
He was totally peaceful. He's a man who went to sleep and just didn't wake up.
The high-end hunting lodge and ranch was host this weekend to an exclusive group of mostly Texan couples. Justice Scalia was the only famous guest. He arrived Friday about noon, toured the property, did not join that day's hunt, but he did have dinner with the group overlooking the scenic lake.
About 9 o'clock, he stood up and he said, "It's been a very long day. Got up early this morning, had a long week. I'd like to be excused."
Others, however, told investigators they heard the 79-year-old justice mention an illness. The county judge, who pronounced him dead over the phone, told ABC News today she talked with Scalia's doctor in Washington, who told her he'd been ill and came to his office both Wednesday and Thursday before the trip. The Scalia family, his 9 children and wife Maureen, she says objected to an autopsy. And after talking with sheriff's investigators and U.S. Marshals on the scene, she agreed one was not necessary.
Any signs of foul play could have easily caused that I asked for an autopsy.
Instead, the county judge says the death certificate will simply read natural causes due to his heart stopping.